What's up guys, Logan here with Shot Soft Plastics, and today I'm going to be making my own hard case for my underwater camera. As you can see right now, I just have this flimsy bag that came with my Markham. So basically I'm constantly trying to find the perfect angle in the ice shanty that I can see the camera clearly and that it works for me. So I'm going to be turning this hard box toolbox for 10 bucks I found at Walmart. We are going to be taking some shocks and turning this into a box that opens up on its own and mount the camera right here on this side. So here are the shocks. These are brand new, just ordered them off of Amazon. Hoping these work well, but looks like they already came with some hardware, which is good because I don't really have any hardware that's going to work with this. So just two shocks like this. I'm going to open up my case here. This can come out. Set this over here. So basically I'm going to run two shocks like this. I don't know if you can see that. Two shocks like this so that I can open and close it, latch it down when I'm done. And then I'm going to mount my camera right here so that I can have a good viewing angle at all times. So without further ado, we'll get started here. I'm going to put this in a time lapse and I will kind of just get going here and show you how I'm going to do this. Alright guys, just like that, I have my camera mounted. Not fully mounted yet, but I have the screws in place. Now I can have my camera right there. I just gotta put the shocks in and make sure this is down pat, and then I should have a nicely built little homemade hard box for my underwater
music licensing reimagined.
As you can see guys, I just finished. Not sure the shocks are a little strong, so I wonder.
Artlist.io.
But other than that, I'm gonna see if I can lower the pressure on the shocks. But other than that, looks like it's gonna work great. I really like the access there. It's just amazing. And then you got all this storage underneath for all your cords and all your, if you want to put a battery down there, you can. I really like, I just like the build of it. I am going to try to release pressure on the gas shocks though, but even if I can't, this is still, it still closes, but as you can see, there's a little pressure there that you gotta have. So, other than that, it's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple build.
Artlist.io.
And then you can even have just like that. It opens up. So now I'm gonna get this cord back on the camera, and then I also think that I'm going to use this box
reimagined.
if I can. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to. I'm going to get a smaller battery here, maybe like a power box, but I also wanted to use this for storage to power my crappie light and to power the light for night fishing and overnight camping on the ice.
Artlist.io.
As you can see here, here's my crappie light. That fits right down in there, nice and slim. Here's my light for ice camping. This just hangs from the ceiling. This can also be used as an underwater light. That also just fits right down in there. That's really nice. You can even put my spotlight in there if I wanted to. Could pack it a little nicer, but just like that, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. That's really nice. But I'm gonna see if I can release some pressure on these gas shocks. There we have it, guys. This is the finished product. Got the flip screen there, we got the shocks, we got all that, and then the top, the handle and everything. Really just a nice way to kind of transport this. And now in the shanty, I'll always have a good angle at this. I won't have to continue adjusting it throughout the day. It should be real nice. Well guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Let me know if you like this video and you want to see more stuff like this, kind of DIY, kind of make your own stuff that improves your fishing experience. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Shad Soft Plastics.